Information handling is the process of gathering, organizing, understanding, and ultimately making better decisions based on this information. It is something we do continuously in our everyday lives. For instance, when you go grocery shopping, you compare prices of rice at different stores. This act of collecting and analyzing data is a clear example of information handling. Similarly, in a classroom setting, a teacher collects student scores, organizes them, perhaps creates charts or graphs, and then assesses which student may need additional help, showcasing how we apply information handling in education. Another everyday illustration is weather forecasting. Meteorologists collect temperature data over several days, observe trends, and predict the forecast for the next day based on this collected information. Now, how is all of this connected to teaching mathematics? Mathematics, particularly the lessons on data handling or statistics, equips students with the skills to think critically and understand better. One effective classroom activity is data collection. Students can be tasked to gather data on their classmates' heights, daily temperatures, or the number of books read in a week. This activity encourages them to engage with real data actively. Next, students learn to organize this data using tables and graphs. They might create frequency tables, bar graphs, or pie charts to represent the information visually, making it clearer and more accessible. Following this, data analysis, or interpretation, is crucial. Students can answer questions such as who scored the highest, which day was the warmest, or what shoe size sold the most. This process enhances logical thinking and problem-solving skills. Furthermore, concepts like central tendency are vital. Mean, median, and mode are methods that allow us to summarize large data sets into a single number. For example, the mean or average can be calculated from a student's quiz scores of 8, 7, 10, 9, and 6, resulting in a mean of 8, indicating that the student generally scores around this number. In another case, when 5 friends stand in line by height, the median is the middle value, which in this case is 150 centimeters. Lastly, when a shopkeeper notes the most sold shoe size from the data 8, 9, 8, 7, 8, and 9, the mode is identified as 8. Information handling is woven into our daily lives, whether it's comparing prices or assessing student performance. By collecting, organizing, and analyzing data, we make informed decisions. These skills are strengthened in mathematics education through graphs, tables, and engaging activities, ultimately empowering us to understand real-world data at a glance.